Dacor Refrigerator Repair Service in Dallas and Fort Worth specializes in Dacor refrigerators that consist of Dacor Refrigerator Freezer Repair, Dacor Refrigerator Repair, Dacor French Door Refrigerator Repair, Dacor Stainless Steel Refrigerator Repair, along with all other Dacor refrigerator models. If your Dacor refrigerator is not cold enough, or your refrigerator's water dispenser is not working, or your refrigerator ice maker is not working, possibly your refrigerator's not defrosting, your refrigerator is noisy or loud, your refrigerator has defrost drain problems, or you have a refrigerator that's leaking water. Whatever the problem, we can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.